For decades, butter has been demonized. It's been labeled as a dietary villain, blamed for clogged arteries and heart problems. The low-fat craze swept the nation, pushing margarine as a healthier alternative. But what if this widely accepted truth was, in fact, a misconception? What if real butter, a natural product enjoyed for centuries, held hidden health benefits that we've overlooked? It's time to challenge the status quo and uncover the truth about this beloved culinary staple. The goal isn't to vilify margarine or plant-based oils entirely. Instead, this essay aims to provide a balanced perspective. We'll delve into the science, explore the history, and separate fact from fiction. By the end, you'll be equipped to make informed decisions about the foods you choose for yourself and your family. The story of margarine is an intriguing one, born out of necessity and propelled by clever marketing. In the mid-19th century, France faced a shortage of butter, a vital source of calories for soldiers. Emperor Napoleon III, seeking a solution, offered a prize for a suitable substitute. Enter Hippolyte Mege-Maury, a French chemist who developed a butter-like spread from beef tallow. This marked the birth of margarine. Margarine's popularity soared during the World Wars when butter was scarce. It was marketed as a healthier, more affordable alternative, a message that resonated with consumers. However, the early versions of margarine were far from appetizing. They were hard, white, and lacked the flavor and texture of real butter. To improve its appeal, manufacturers began adding colorings, flavorings, and even dyes to mimic butter's golden hue. The production of margarine took a significant turn in the 20th century with the introduction of hydrogenation. This revolutionary process changed the way we consume fats. This process, aimed at solidifying liquid vegetable oils at room temperature, involved bubbling hydrogen gas through them. It was a breakthrough in food technology. While this extended shelf life and improved texture, it also created something insidious: trans fats. These fats were not present in nature. These unnatural fats, formed when the chemical structure of the oil is altered, have since been linked to a myriad of health problems. They sneak into our diets through various processed foods. Trans fats raise bad cholesterol, or LDL, and lower good cholesterol, or HDL, creating a dangerous imbalance in our bodies, increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. These conditions are life-threatening and have long-term impacts on health. They contribute to inflammation throughout the body, which can lead to chronic pain and discomfort, potentially exacerbating conditions like arthritis and even cancer. The risks are far-reaching and severe. Moreover, many margarine varieties are high in omega-6 fatty acids. These are often hidden in ingredient lists. While these are essential in moderation, an excessive intake, especially when out of balance with omega-3s, can disrupt our health, can further fuel inflammation and contribute to chronic diseases. It's crucial to be aware of what we consume and make informed choices. In stark contrast to the processed nature of margarine, real butter stands as a testament to the nutritional richness of whole foods. Derived from the simple churning of cream, butter retains a wealth of naturally occurring vitamins and beneficial fatty acids. These nutrients, often stripped away in processed foods, play vital roles in maintaining optimal health and well-being. Butter is a significant source of fat-soluble vitamins including A, D, E, and K. Vitamin A is crucial for vision, immune function, and cell growth. Vitamin D supports calcium absorption, bone health, and mood regulation. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from damage. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone metabolism. These vitamins work synergistically, enhancing each other's absorption and utilization within the body. Section 5. Beyond the cholesterol myth. Debunking misconceptions and embracing butter's benefits. For years, butter was unfairly demonized for its cholesterol content. Many believed that consuming butter would directly lead to heart disease and other health issues. However, dietary cholesterol, the type found in foods we eat, has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels for most individuals. This means that the cholesterol in butter doesn't necessarily translate to higher cholesterol in your bloodstream. Our bodies naturally produce cholesterol, and when we consume less, our livers compensate by producing more. This self-regulating mechanism ensures that our bodies maintain the necessary levels of cholesterol for various functions. Focusing on reducing saturated and trans fats, rather than natural cholesterol, is far more effective in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. It's important to understand the different types of fats and their impact on our health. Butter, particularly from grass-fed cows, contains a unique profile of fatty acids that offer surprising health benefits. These cows produce butter that is richer in nutrients and healthier fats. Conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, a naturally occurring trans fat, has been linked to reduced cancer risk, improved insulin sensitivity, and even weight loss. This makes butter a surprisingly beneficial addition to a balanced diet. Medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, another type of fatty acid, are easily digested and utilized for energy, potentially boosting metabolism and aiding in weight management. Including butter in your diet can thus support an active and healthy lifestyle. Section 6. A matter of choice. Navigating the market for the healthiest butter options. Not all butter is created equal. To reap the full health benefits, it's essential to choose wisely. Look for butter made from organic, grass-fed cow's milk. These cows graze on pastures, consuming a natural diet free from hormones, antibiotics, and harmful pesticides. This results in butter with a superior nutritional profile, richer in beneficial fatty acids and fat-soluble vitamins. Explore different varieties of butter, each with its own unique characteristics. Raw butter, unpasteurized and minimally processed, retains more of its natural enzymes and nutrients. Cultured butter, churned with live bacterial cultures, offers a tangy flavor and potential probiotic benefits. Ghee, clarified butter with the milk solids removed, is lactose-free and suitable for those with sensitivities. Section 7. Unleashing the flavor culinary applications and the joy of cooking with butter. Beyond its nutritional merits, butter holds a revered place in the culinary world. Its rich, creamy texture and unparalleled flavor elevate dishes from simple to sublime creations. Whether used in baking, sautéing, or simply spread on warm bread, butter adds a depth of flavor unmatched by any substitute. The distinct taste of butter comes from its unique composition of fatty acids and milk solids. These compounds interact with heat, creating a symphony of aromas and flavors that tantalize the taste buds. Butter's high smoke point makes it suitable for various cooking methods, from gentle warming to high-heat searing. It adds richness to sauces, tenderness to pastries, and a golden crust to perfectly grilled meats. Section 8. Butter up your health. A final word on making informed choices for well-being. The debate over butter versus margarine highlights the importance of questioning conventional wisdom and seeking evidence-based information. It's a classic example of how food choices can be influenced by marketing, trends, and sometimes misinformation. While margarine may seem like a healthier choice on the surface, a deeper dive reveals the potential risks associated with its processed nature and trans fat content. These hidden dangers can have long-term impacts on heart health and overall well-being. Real butter, particularly from grass-fed cows, emerges as a nutritional powerhouse, offering a wealth of vitamins, beneficial fatty acids, and flavor that enhances our culinary experiences. The natural composition of grass-fed butter provides essential nutrients that support brain function and reduce inflammation. Ultimately, the choice is yours. It's about balancing taste, health benefits, and personal values. By understanding the history, the science, and the nutritional nuances, you can make informed decisions that align with your health goals and values. Knowledge empowers you to navigate the complexities of modern food choices with confidence. Remember, food is not just fuel, it's information that speaks to our cells, influencing our well-being in profound ways. Every bite you take sends signals to your body, shaping your health and vitality. Choose wisely, savor the flavor, and butter up your health. Embrace the joy of eating well, and let your food choices reflect a commitment to a healthier, happier you.